Hi, Colin at Mack Yacht Services here, and today I wanted to introduce our new website, islandpacketparts.com. With all of our years of fixing island packets, we find the same parts over and over again that people need to help maintain their boats. This whole website was set up so that you can find what you need to do it yourself, and if there's something that you don't see on the website, please let us know. At islandpacketparts.com, we've gone to great lengths to manufacture replacement parts, all made in the USA, with upgraded features that match your existing legacy island packet. On our website you can find things like stern tubes, stand-up blocks with the diamond base, single and double cheek blocks, traveler replacement parts as well as new travelers, chain plates, rudders, rudder shoes, port light shades, dorade covers, dorades and dorade vents, cabinet latches, and also replacement buttons for your handrail, transducers, tank senders, upgraded items like windlasses, propellers, dripless packing glands. We also have engine cluster covers and much more. So please go to our website, islandpacketparts.com, and thank you for your continued support.